This is a ukulele, and it seems like a really small instrument. So why don't we start with something like this for every child? I mean, some people say they want to use violin as a starting instrument. We believe that using the piano keyboard as your starting instrument is the best opportunity for your child to make music in an easy and fun way, because it doesn't require a lot of effort to produce a very pleasing sound. You don't, of course, you have to have an in-tune piano, but with digital keyboards, that's not a problem at all. And then it doesn't require a lot of effort to create a sound on the piano. Whereas even a small instrument like a ukulele, you actually have to squeeze against the frets, and this requires some finger effort, right? Some finger strength. Also with the ukulele, a lot of kids can't seem to hold it while they're playing. In fact, I would recommend using a strap for that. But there's the piano is also one of the best instruments to start playing first, because it also has a logical layout for all the keys, and you can start to understand the relationship between notes, which is called intervals. Okay, and we'll talk about that in a little bit.